Yo, let's go. Happy Thursday. Let's go. Who's hitting the nay-nay? All right, let's do the attendance real quick. It's up to the gamma. What it do? Oh, shit, I have the gamma thing going on. Hold on. Hey. Give it up for the box. What do we say? Okay, it wants to turn it into rejection. Do the damn thing. Okay, then. So we literally just left off where we're literally starting where we left off last night. Pretty cool, right? We said, okay, if it's gonna bounce, let it get here. We'll gauge the reaction. Bink. And what did S&P do? It finally made a lower low. Remember when we were waiting for all this? Can we get a lower low? Brink. Bearish retest. Brink. Bearish retest. Brink. It's all up to the gamma, bitches. You guys want to pull the new Gexy, sexy Gexy? There you go. Gex is now at 4077.5. KazFR, you still think there is a nuke coming this year? Yeah, I think so. KazFR, a little bit of a pullback. Yeah, because think about it this way. Retail order flow is at an historical all-time high. Insider order flow is at an all-time high. So retail is pumping the market, right? Insiders are selling. Politicians have been adding to shorts and getting into shorts since November. Yeah, I don't know. You tell me. It's hard to time it, but yeah, I think so, KazFR. Shaman says, Kim, can you enlighten me your indicators and analysis on S&P? Option flow, Shaman. Learn how to read options. Yeah, there isn't really indicators or, tools, really. You got to be able to read options if you want to trade S&P. Yeah, if you've been here for the last couple of days, I've basically just been watching the gamma walls and the Gex flip, right? So that's not an indicator. That's just being able to look at the option flow. Yeah, so I would just learn. I would learn all the bets that you can make, and I think the best way to learn options is maybe slowly start trading them yourself, Shaman. Okay, all right. I will be back, you guys. Stay safe. You already know what it is. Love you guys, man. I'll be back. Daddy's back. Woo! Woo! Go! Let's go! Snap this off on Shizzle! What the fuck? Hey, made like 80K at work. We realized another 42. Easy money.
Daddy, chill.
Hey. Oh.
Let's go!
Oh my God, we're about to let us the fuck up. Woo! Wait, did this dump happen when I left? Love you guys, man. I'll be back. That's fucked up. I don't care when they do it, but what the fuck? Boy. Come on, baby. Woo! Can I get a Ric Flair? Woo! Easy. Come on, man.
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 Bitch. Give it up for the boxes, man. Give it up for the TA, man. Give it up for sticking to your plan. Give it up for not letting other people influence you. Let's get it. Could you look at 1 hour RSI's bottom as fuck? Yes. So let's just be kind of chill about it. We are anticipating and we want the RSI for ES to reset and for it to do a bearish retest on the bullish div invalidation on the 1 hour. And you know what we can probably do? 2 is do something like this. You know? So, you know, I mean, we would love 382. You know how, you know, Fibonacci's. If you know, you know, but. Jasper says, Kimba, do you plan on long? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, do you want to talk about where I'm possibly looking? It's basically the POC levels down towards the bottom. I don't know if you were able to catch them in a previous stream or not. I'll show you. Somewhere around here. I'm closing my shorts here. Oh, nice. I'm closing my the rest of my shorts here, but yeah, let's see. But it might take a while. Maybe it has to be weekend, and we certainly wouldn't be surprised if it does pump. So it actually still held on to a bullish div, believe it or not, after all that craziness. Milk Tea says, I mean, we did have a violent move, almost 4%. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But that's nothing for Bitcoin. Young Jedi. It is nice, though. In the words of Aiden Ross, mid. Altcoin says, not like any crypto companies have money to spend anyway. That's also true. I mean, all, you know, Kraken, Coinbase, Gemini, etc. They're, you know, one's under investigation or might be under investigation, and everybody else cut jobs significantly. So that's also true. Yeah, even if they were allowed, you know, who's gonna do? Maybe Binance. They can barely, yeah. But think about who would actually be able to afford it. Binance. So 11% of Coinbase revenue was made up from staking. Coin gonna get shit on. That's an actually yeah, I can't find any. I mean, yeah, theoretically, unless of course insiders already knew and priced it in. All right, well here. Wait. Pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it. Stop, loss, and profit. If it makes a lower low, I will pay attention to it. But if it's gonna keep fucking with me, I'm not interested. I'm gonna keep playing blackjack. Should we let us up? We're gonna watch this, I guess. Should we let us up? Oh my god, I would love to be able to TP this shit with you guys. Under any. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh, Sato, no. Hold on, let me get my headphones on. Oh my goodness. 2-1. Yo, so this spot guy is about to get filled on Binancio Spato. Oh my god, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, hold on. Okay, it just made a lower low. It made a lower. Is it gonna sweep? Don't fuck with me. I am so tired. But should we go hypersymphonic? Wow, that might be a swing fail. Let's see. How much time do we have left on this 5 minutes? 60 fucking seconds on the 5 minute candle. 60 seconds on the 5 minute candle. Let's see. Okay, let me put your guys' music back on. Ooh, that's not bad. That's not bad, but S&P has to help. Ooh. 216. That's just such a random place to down. So we still have somebody's trying to buy 1,000 Bitcoin spot Binance 21,430. That 5 minute candle actually closed green. What a recovery. They won't let this shit drop, bro. I'm so tired. I know. I'm telling you, bro. I don't care what it is. If it's 1 o'clock and I still haven't TP'd, I'm going to sleep. There's just a lot. I just don't know if there's enough volume and market makers in play. I mean, what time is it in China right now? Where's the Kung Fu Death Chop that we were wanting to see? It's 140 in China right now. That's a pretty interesting sweep right there. So that might be the catalyst to get to like the golden pocket up here. Torqued, what's going on, Torqued? What a day, huh? Bro, what a day, what a day. But what a day, what a week, what a month, what a year so far. I honestly think I can go back almost every single day, starting from the first stream in January, and every day there was some sort of fucking shit going on, bro. All right, let's do it. I'll see you guys in the morning in a couple hours. 8 hours, right? 8.5 hours. Let's see, two. All right. You guys get some sleep. You guys get out of here, get some sleep. What a day, man. Tomorrow's gonna be exciting. All right, let's finish the week strong tomorrow. All right, you guys, get out of here.